Hi, it's Heidi. What if I told you that you might be able to soon replace your Google searches with a Perplexity search? Have you heard of the tool called Perplexity? If not, stay tuned and listen on. Perplexity aims to take over Google searches by providing you natural language answers. I've been trying Perplexity out for the past few days and discovered it's a really interesting tool. Perplexity combines retrieval plus generative AI to reduce hallucinations in their answers. So when you read it, it's going to read like a conversational paragraph, but then, of course, you can click any of the sources. They aim to maximize knowledge velocity. So, not just having the knowledge, but it being able to surface it quickly and then you being able to have a conversation with it if you choose to, but basically getting you closer to the knowledge that you want in a way that's easily consumable for you, as like talking to a friend. Now, Perplexity has a Copilot feature. Copilot aims to ask clarifying questions to help refine the user's original query. So, unlike in ChatGPT or people who are just saying, hey, if you can't get a good answer, your prompt is wrong. The model for Perplexity is that the user's never wrong, and they're going to try to keep clarifying what you really mean when you ask them a question. So you can engage as much or as little as you want to get the information that you want. The goal for Copilot is to automatically know when to ask follow up questions versus just provide you the information that you've asked. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and share my screen. Okay. So, I decided to ask Perplexity something I thought was a little complex. We're planning a family vacation with 6 people sometime in 2024. Our budget's not too big. We're willing to go over that a bit. Well, if it's a really good place, everyone lives in Sacramento except 2 people living in Orlando. Where can we go? I didn't give it much information, but it gives me some answers here. New York City, Washington, D.C. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Not that great. Why is it recommending Australia? Anyway, so I gave it some follow up answers and just tried to be like a real human, right? Like you were talking to a friend. And it gave me some additional answers, which I thought were really interesting. And of course, it provides the sources of the information. I can actually continue to chat with it if I prefer to, or I can stop there if I feel like I have gotten enough information. It did give me some pretty good hints about where to go on the family vacation. So, if you're searching for an alternative to Google and you want better answers for complex questions like this, then give Perplexity a try. The other thing that's really interesting about Perplexity is the Discover page. So, these are curated places where you can go to find out information on cool topics. You can see the query is pretty simple: Space Programs 2024. And then it aims here to give me the information that I might be interested in about the space program in 2024. In the library section, you will have access to your previous queries and you'll be able to share them with friends and family with the permalink. So, for example, the family vacation, I can easily cut that link, paste it in an email or chat message to my family, and they'll be able to engage with me on that. So that's been a really interesting part of Perplexity that I really like is I'm now able to ask it more complex things that Google wouldn't be able to answer. I do like the fact that it has references and sources for everything that it's saying to reduce hallucination. And that's one of their main goals. So this is just a brief video on Perplexity. I hope you give it a try. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.